Hello everyone, welcome to the Subi classes for kids. So kids, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So children, today I am going to tell you another very beautiful story. Story name is A Bird and a Bee. So let's start. Once a bird asked a bee, after a continuous hard work, you prepare the honey. But the man steals the honey. Don't you feel sad? Then the bee replied, Never. Because a man can steal the honey, but not my art of making the honey and my hard work. So children, moral of this story, always believe in yourself. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.